Hello and welcome to 2-1. Today we're talking prime factorization, and our goal is that we'll be able to find the prime factorization of numbers. So to start off, I'm going to kind of go through this example we have here. Mrs. Dempsey surveyed the class and found that Mr. Dempsey, that his students have a total of 36 pets. Find the prime factorization of 36. So first we write the number to be factored at the top. Then we choose any pair of whole number factors of 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So then I would say 2 times 18. Then I can break 18 into 2 times 9. And then I just bring down my 2 because that's already as low as possible. I can only break it down into 1 times 2, so that means it's a prime number. Okay, and then we have 9 can be broken into 3 and 3. So the prime factorization is, and we usually write it from least to greatest. So I'd say 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, if you don't see that 36 can be broken into 2 times 18, and instead you see it can be broken into 3 times 12, then we'll try it that way. 12 is 3 and 4. 3 times 4. 3 is prime, so we just bring it down. 4 is 2 times 2. So again, we get 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So we get the same answer, it's just there's different ways to get there because we might think of different multiplication facts that can get us to the larger number. So let's try some more. Okay, so here we just have to, it says find the prime factorization of each number. Okay, so I have 16, and I know I can break that into 4 times 4. You might have seen 2 times 8, but you could break it into 2 times 8 then. Okay, so then 4 can be broken into 2 times 2, and 4 can be broken into 2 times 2. Okay, so then we have 16 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so let's try 24. I'm asking what two numbers can I multiply together to get to 24? I know that 24 I can multiply 3 and 8 together to get to 24. 3 is a prime number, and that's kind of our goal. We're breaking the larger number, into numbers that can be multiplied together that are prime numbers. Okay, so I'm going to bring 3 down because it's already prime. 8 is 2 times 4. Okay, so I should have written that 2. Here's a learning lesson. I should have written that 2 on the same level. Okay, so I have 1 row. Okay, so 3 is prime. 2, prime. 4 can be broken into 2 times 2. And so when I write my answer from least to greatest, I would say 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is how I would prime factorize, because I took my numbers here and I ordered them from least to greatest down here. And sorry, I'm used to doing the dot multiplication sign because this also means multiply. So I'll fix those. Those are actually multiplying. I just wrote the dot multiplying symbol instead of the X multiplying symbol. Okay, I'm foreseeing I might have to do some problems with you tomorrow morning, so we'll do it. Okay, I just kind of wanted you to have a little bit of background knowledge on what is prime factorization. We're taking a larger number, asking ourselves which two numbers multiply together to get that larger number, and then we keep breaking those numbers down until we get to all prime numbers. And a prime number is a number that can only be gotten to by multiplying 1 and itself. Right? The only way I can multiply two numbers together to get 3 is 1 times 3. Whereas 8 can be broken into 4 times 2. So we'll just kind of take this prior knowledge, we'll practice it a lot tomorrow, and we'll become experts. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.